Hey everyone, let's talk about money. More specifically, let's talk about keeping your money safe. With countless apps promising financial freedom, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Today, we're diving deep into Goodbudget. Is it the trusty financial companion you've been searching for, or is it a potential pitfall? Now, I know what you're thinking. Your money is your lifeblood. It pays the bills, funds your dreams, and generally keeps your world turning. So, when you entrust it to an app, you want ironclad guarantees. But here's the thing, no app is entirely foolproof. The real question is, how safe is Goodbudget compared to others? And is it safe enough for your peace of mind? Let's break it down. First, we'll explore the basics of Goodbudget. What is it? How does it work? And what kind of information does it collect? Then, we'll delve into the security measures Goodbudget has in place. Is your data encrypted? How about their servers? Are there any red flags we should be aware of? But it's not just about the app itself. We'll also talk about best practices for online financial security. How can you protect yourself, regardless of the app you use? We'll cover essential tips like strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and being mindful of phishing scams. And let's not forget about user experiences. What are real people saying about Goodbudget security? We'll look at reviews, testimonials, and any reported incidents. It's crucial to hear from those who've actually used the app. Now, I'm not here to scare you off budgeting apps. They can be incredibly helpful tools for taking control of your finances. But it's essential to approach them with caution and do your research. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of Goodbudget's safety features and be equipped to make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for you. So, let's get started. Is Goodbudget truly safe for your hard-earned money? Let's find out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, your financial security is in your hands. Stay informed, stay protected, and happy budgeting.